Welcome to Programming ABC GTKC Programming. In my previous video I will show how to create a simple window. Now I will show how to create destroy event. Window set title, after title G S I G N G signal CONN connect first bracket G O B G object window comma detail signal detail destroy event DESTROY destroy capital small letter and handler DESTROY destroy window WINDOW destroy window. Before this G callback CALL G callback first bracket destroy window comma data NU null first bracket close semicolon. Now I have to create this destroy window event. Before int main void DESTROY destroy window WINDOW destroy window GTK GTK widget WIDGT widget GPOIN G pointer data G pointer data second bracket and GTK MAI and main GTK main coil first bracket semicolon. Now run. Release mode, application create, close, project close. It working successfully. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. My next video how to create label or button.